Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Bluetooth not working in Windows 10. So there are three methods to fix this issue. Let's see the method number 1. Just go to the search bar and type device manager. Just click on this search result device manager. Click on yes, and now just expand this Bluetooth. Now just select the Bluetooth driver. In my system it is Intel wireless Bluetooth. Just right click over it and click on the option update driver. Now just click on the first option, search automatically for updated driver software. So it will search the internet for the updated Bluetooth driver, and if it finds any updated driver then it will update it. But if it didn't find the updated driver and it shows message like this, the best driver for your device are already installed, then just click on this back button and click on this option, browse my computer for driver software. Now just click on this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and now just select this hardware or the model, Intel wireless Bluetooth. Now just click on next button. So the Bluetooth driver is now updated. Just close this and just close this window also. And now just restart your system and your issue will be fixed. If method 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Just go to the search bar and type services. Yeah, just right click over the search result services and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. Now just search for Bluetooth support service. So here it is, Bluetooth support service. Right click over it and click on the option properties. Now click on this button stop and just click on yes. So this will stop this service. And now just change the startup type from manual to automatic. Now click on the apply button and click on OK button. Now just restart your system and your issue should be fixed. If method 1 and 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Go to the search bar and type regedit. Just right click over this search result registry editor and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. Now just expand this folder HKey local machine. Then expand software folder, and after that just expand this Microsoft folder. Now just search for Windows NT folder. So here it is, just expand this and just select this folder current version. Now just go to the right hand side and just click on this key current version. After selecting it, just double click on it and just change the value data from 6.3 to 6.2. Click on the OK button, close this window and just restart your system. After restarting, your issue should be fixed. So these were the three methods that you can try out to fix the issue of Bluetooth not working in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.